Lie face down on the bed with your hands by your side. Tighten your core by pulling in your pelvis and flattening your lower back and squeezing your buttocks. Put your one hand by the side with your core tightened and stretch forth the other hand as far as you can. Keep your core tight. Hold for 2 to 3 deep breaths, and with your core still tight, change sides. Remember to keep your core tight. And keep it tight throughout the exercise. And as your hand is forward, stretch as far as you can. You should feel tension on the side which your hand is stretched forward.